What a pig. Another pig. Fought like a lot better than the last one. I don't know if it's as big though. Find out with the weigh. Oh, got him in over there in those nice lily pads. Move this back. Okay. Funny, the weigh-in's only 2.6. Thought it was better than that. Oh well. Still a nice looking fish. Not a Mac Bay pig, but still a nice fish. This is a River X pig. So I'm going to put him back before he dries off. Alright. There you go. Bye, guy. Ha ha ha. Beautiful. Paradise. What the fuck?